Glenn Rock Opong is now part of Team Sara. Nagwagi si Daddy. Sabi kasi ni Rock during the envelope shoot, gusto niya si Coach Sara. Kasi sabi daw ni Daddy, maganda and sexy si Coach. Ay, nako, patay ka, Daddy. Pero I would have to agree. Ito. Diba? Especially kailan ba yun? Last Wednesday or Tuesday, I had this opportunity to host this baking event for Coach Sara. Kasi birthday naman ni Coach Sara. Oo nga pala, happy birthday, Coach Sara.
Happy birthday, Coach!
Happy birthday, Coach. She was just oozing with appeal, charisma, and that innocent look would really captivate you. Pero alam mong she's dominating the world, hindi lang niya alam. Yun ang maganda kay Coach Sara. Napaka-down to earth. Pero itong cash guys hindi lang si Daddy ang may crush kay Coach. Like father, like son. Dahil ibang level ng kilig ang dala ni Rock sa muli na ng pagkikita ni Coach Sara sa battle rounds. Abangan nyo yan dahil mapupunitan kayo ng pisngi, kakangiti kay Rock. Kala ko naman kung ano mapupunit. Well, that's it for tonight. Just a recap at the end of our 6th week or 12th episode. 2 episode na lang ang natitira para makumpleto ng coaches ang kanilang teams. Now, Coach Sara got 17 artists, meaning isa na lang ang pwede nang i-recruit next week. While Coach Leia and Coach Marabu got 15 artists in their teams, that's 3 artists each para sa kanila next week. So, sa last 2 episodes ng Blind Edition, we are down to the last 7 young artists. Kung sino-sino to, abangan natin sa susunod na linggo. Now, if you missed Rock's performance or any performance from this week or the entire Blind Editions, don't be sad dahil ang lahat ng yan ay uploaded sa aming official website at thevoice.abs-cbn.com. And for real-time updates, just feel free to follow our official social media accounts at The Voice ABS-CBN for Twitter and ABS-CBN Voice for Instagram. Sa Facebook naman, it's facebook.com/TheVoiceABS-CBN. Bilis sama na kami ulit as we dish out our last 2 episodes of the Blind Editions, and after that, we move on to the next level of this competition, the Battle Round. That's see you all next week sa programang Pangarap po ng Boss ng Believe ng Brand. This is The Voice Kids Season 2. Ako po si Rob Domingo. I'll see you guys next week.